Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of passing by, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also press the notification bell so that you can get alert whenever I post a new video. And don't also forget to like, guys. Thank you, and thank you for passing by. May God bless you for watching. So today we are going to be making a vanilla sponge cake. That is my best recipe. So these are the ingredients we are going to be using. It is for the beginners, guys. I always use for the beginner because we are all learning every day by day. So let's get started. Here are the ingredients. This is milk, 180 ml of milk, which I have already measured it and I pour it here. Just normal milk, 3.5 fat. Here is egg, a medium size egg, 5 egg. And here is all-purpose flour. Yeah guys, and this is 200 grams of all-purpose flour. Here is my butter. I'm using salted butter. If you are not using salted butter, you can also add a pinch of salt to your cake. I'm using salted butter, 250 grams. And here is vanilla flavor. Yes guys, I like it so much, and that is what my customer always requests for. You can also use any flavor you like. There's coconut flavor, there's chocolate flavor, there is this is vanilla flavor, there's banana flavor, and there is also coffee flavor, but I'm using vanilla on this recipe today. So here is the baking powder. This baking powder here is equivalent to 1 tablespoon of baking powder. It is 16 kg. Okay, and here is our sugar. We are using grounded sugar, just baking sugar. It is 100 grams sugar. It is very important you measure your ingredients before start baking to get an accurate outcome of your cake. Okay guys, so let's start it. Before you start baking your cake, first of all, you got to take your pan and add a little piece of butter on it. You can see a spatula is inside the pan. I'm going to use that spatula to wipe the butter all over the pan and add a bit of flour on it. Add a bit of flour on it to make it everything okay, so that the cake will not stick to the pan. Let's get started, guys. You can see it now. This is what I got. This is what I got. Now I'm going to add a little bit of flour to it. So you can shake it like this. Just turn it and shake it. Make sure that the flour go to the edge. Shake it, and let everything be balanced, and you can dust it out. After dusting it, this is what we get. Okay guys, so now let's start baking. I'm going to be adding my butter into my mixing bowl. And my sugar as well. And I'm going to be mixing it for 5 minutes until everything is mixed together proper. Scraping it out. Always scrape it out to get a very good mixed up. Again, because the sugar and the butter has to be mixed proper. They have to combine before you start adding your eggs. I'm going to beat it again for another 2 minutes, guys. scrape again. See, everything is mixed totally now. It's combined. So it's time for us to start adding our eggs. We are going to be adding it one after the other. You can see it's 5 eggs. Anyone you added has to be totally mixed with the ingredients before you add another one after the other. At this point, I'm going to turn off my oven for 150 degrees. My oven is already on 150 degrees. Get a very light consistency, very light mixture. You can see it. I'm scraping it together and I'm still going to mix it again for at least 5 minutes for the egg to properly mix with the other ones. To allow it to mix for 5 minutes. You can see it's mixed together now. At this point, we are going to add our flavor. Only 1 teaspoon. Now we are going to be adding our flour. I'm going to add it in two portions. And I'm giving it a mix because I don't want it to splash all over the place. I'm going to be mixing it again for 3 minutes. Adding my baking powder and the remaining flour, adding it together. And mix together. You can see what we get here. So I'm adding the remaining powder, the remaining flour to it. And my milk also. I'm not adding all because I don't want to get it to be watery. I'm adding half. This is what we'll get. See, I'm still going to mix it more, and I'm adding the remaining milk to it because it's too strong for me. Mixing it together because I don't want it to splash everywhere. You have to scrub it very well. Still going to give it another mix again for at least 2 minutes, and this time on a higher speed. Then everything will be set. This is what we get, guys. See, everything is so fluffy and smooth. Now we're going to transfer it to our bowl. This is the bowl I'm using. Scrape everything. Spread it all over the bowl. Make sure that everything is equal so that you don't get the cake. One side will be higher than the other one. Shake it like this also to give it a balanced shape. Now I'm taking it to the oven to reduce it to 140 degrees. I'm reducing it to 140 degrees, guys, and it's going to stay there for 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, bring it out and put a toothpick on it, and the toothpick comes out dry, you know your cake is set. It's done, it's fine. And if it did not come out dry, you can leave it for more than 45 minutes. Depends on the oven you are using. So that is it. Thank you for watching and thank you for passing by. God bless you. See you later when the cake is ready. Yeah, guys, we are back. It's past 45 minutes and this is what we have. A golden color. And you can see everything is just perfect.